Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to use a super duper secure mode in Microsoft Edge, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Copy the path mentioned here, paste it in the Edge browser and hit enter. This will take you to the settings privacy page. In this page, you will have to scroll down a little. Scroll down to this option which reads enhance your security on the web and turn the switch on. After this, it gives you three options here: basic, balanced and strict. You can either check balanced or strict. I will prefer balanced because choosing the strict mode will inhibit my ability to search on the web. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.